Hey everyone, a dead car battery can leave you stranded at the worst possible time. That's why having a reliable jump starter in your car is one of the smartest investments you can make. In today's video, we are counting down the top 5 best car jump starters on Amazon in 2025. From compact power banks to heavy-duty boosters, I'll cover their features, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is right for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right in. Number 1. GOOLOO 4000A Peak Car Jump Starter. The GOOLOO 4000A is a powerhouse designed for larger vehicles. With a peak current of 4000A, it can jump start all gas engines and even diesels up to 10 liters. It's not just a jump starter, it doubles as a portable power bank, featuring USB quick charge and a Type-C port, so you can charge phones, tablets, or other devices on the go. It's compact, comes with smart jumper cables for safety, and has a built-in flashlight for emergencies. Pros: 4000A peak power for big engines, cars, trucks, SUVs. USB quick charge and Type-C port. Compact and portable design. Safety protections included. Cons: overkill for small cars. Needs recharging after long storage. Number 2. Clore Automotive Jump and Carry JNC660. The Clore JNC660 is a classic heavy-duty jump starter trusted by mechanics for years. With 1700 peak amps and 425 cranking amps, it's built for reliability, especially in professional or frequent use settings. Unlike smaller lithium packs, this one uses a sealed lead-acid battery, which means it's heavier, but it also delivers strong, consistent power when you need it. It includes 46-inch heavy-duty cables, a voltmeter to check battery status, and is known for long-term durability. Pros: heavy-duty and very reliable. Long jumper cables for convenience. Proven design trusted by mechanics. Excellent for regular use. Cons: bulkier and heavier than lithium models. Takes longer to recharge. Number 3. YaberAuto 10-in-1 Jump Starter with Air Compressor. This one is more than just a jump starter, it's a 10-in-1 powerhouse. With a peak of 7000A, it can handle all gas engines and diesels up to 12 liters. But here's the bonus. It includes a built-in air compressor with up to 160 psi, perfect for inflating tires, sports equipment, or even air mattresses. It also doubles as a 65W charger with USB and DC output options, making it a true all-in-one emergency tool. Pros: extremely powerful 7000A jump starter. Built-in air compressor, 160 psi. Multifunctional. Power bank, flashlight, DC output. Perfect for road trips and RV owners. Cons: larger and heavier due to extra features. Higher price point. Number 4. WOLFBOX 4000A Jump Starter. The WOLFBOX 4000A strikes a balance between power and portability. It offers 4000A peak current, capable of jump starting up to 10-liter gas or diesel engines. What makes it stand out is the 24,000 mAh battery pack with a 65W quick charger and a clear LED display, so you always know how much power you have left. It also includes bright LED emergency lights and sturdy jumper cables. Pros: 4000A peak for heavy-duty engines. 65W quick charging plus LED display. Large 24,000 mAh capacity. Compact yet powerful. Cons: bulkier than smaller lithium packs. LED screen may drain battery if left on. Number 5. NOCO Boost GB40. The NOCO Boost GB40 is one of the most popular portable jump starters on the market. It's compact, reliable, and delivers 1000A peak current, making it ideal for gas engines up to 6 liters and diesels up to 3 liters. It also works as a power bank, features a built-in LED flashlight, and comes with spark-proof technology for safety. This one's perfect for everyday drivers who want something small, safe, and easy to carry. Pros: compact and lightweight design. Safe and easy to use. Affordable and reliable. Great for small to medium vehicles. Cons: not powerful enough for big diesel trucks. Smaller battery capacity compared to larger models. And that's our list of the top 5 best car jump starters in 2025. If you need serious power for big vehicles, go with the GOOLOO 4000A or the WOLFBOX 4000A. For professional use, the Clore JNC660 is the mechanic's favorite. If you want an all-in-one emergency kit, the YaberAuto 10-in-1 with air compressor is unbeatable. And for everyday drivers, the NOCO Boost GB40 is compact, affordable, and reliable. So which one would you keep in your trunk? Let me know in the comments. And as always, if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on the latest reviews.